Imagine a world where your phone charges in 60 seconds. Your glasses replace your laptop, and AI feels like your best friend. Welcome to 2025. Today, we're counting down the top 10 tech breakthroughs that'll blow your mind. Buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive in. First up, AI-powered wearables. Picture a ring that tracks your heart rate, predicts health issues, and even reminds you to hydrate. Devices like the Oura Ring 4 are using AI to make wellness personal. It's like having a doctor on your finger. Number 2, foldable and rollable displays. Samsung's Tri-Fold phone and LG's rollable OLED are redefining gadgets. Unfold for a tablet, roll up for your pocket. 2025 is the year your phone becomes your everything. At number 3, brain-computer interfaces. Imagine controlling your phone or PC with just your thoughts. Neuralinks making waves and non-invasive headsets are hitting the market. This is sci-fi becoming reality. Number 4, solid-state batteries. Toyota and QuantumScape are powering EVs with 600-mile ranges and 5-minute charge. Say goodbye to range anxiety and hello to road trips without stops. Halfway there with number 5, AR smart glasses. Apple's Vision Pro 2 and Meta's Orion Project holograms right in front of you. Work, game, or chat without a screen. Your phone's days are numbered. Number 6, autonomous delivery drones. Amazon and Walmart are dropping packages at your door in minutes. Pizza, groceries, or gadgets. 2025 is making delivery faster than ever. Number 7, quantum computing. Google and IBM's latest processors solve problems in seconds that'd take years. From curing diseases to cracking codes, quantum is rewriting the rules. Number 8, sustainable tech. Solar paint turns walls into power sources, and biodegradable electronics reduce waste. Companies like Samsung are going green, proving tech can save the planet. Number 9, holographic displays. Forget flat screens. 2025 brings 3D holograms for gaming, meetings, and more. It's like Star Wars meets Zoom, and it's here now. Topping the list at number 10, AI Personal Assistants 2.0. Tools like Grok 3 from xAI are smarter, funnier, and even talk back. Need homework help or life advice? It's like Jarvis from Iron Man, but real. Wow! From brain-controlled gadgets to eco-friendly tech, 2025 is a tech revolution. Next week, we're exploring the best budget gadgets of 2025. Stay tuned. That's it for today's Tech Deep Dive. If you loved this, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this with your tech-obsessed friends. See you next time for more future vibes.